To use the Priority Pass, eligible cardholders and paying members can access lounges by first creating a Priority Pass account. This can be done by visiting the Priority Pass website and selecting the Activate Your Account option, where you can choose to activate by membership number or payment card number. After providing the necessary details, you will be redirected to an account creation interface where you can fill in your personal details, account details, and preferences, and then create your account. Once your account is set up, you can log in and access additional benefits, including a digital membership card. To enter a Priority Pass lounge, simply present an eligible credit card or your physical or digital membership card, and you will be granted access. The process is straightforward, making it easy to utilize the Priority Pass and enjoy its benefits.